So this is a good point to introduce exercise 1. So we just finished talking about reading from files. So if you look on Blackboard in week 6 here, you'll see the exercise1.pdf, which we can open and read the instructions, and then this rules.txt file that you can download. Okay. Now, basically the instructions are all here, but we can read them together. And I want you guys to have a go at this right now in class. So create a program that reads a list of rules from a file and displays them. Okay. So obviously we can see if we opened up rules.txt, it's going to just be, that 4 lines of text, pig dice rules. So it's just the rules for a dice game. Okay, so we'll close that. And it should look like this when we get it to work, right? So it's reading from that file. So I provided you the rules.txt file on Blackboard there. So you can download that, create a new program, and then use the preprocessor directive fstream and then, or fstream and create an ifstream object, and it should read all the text from the rule.txt file and display it on the console. So I want you guys to experiment with loops that we went through last week and reading input from a file and see if you can get all 5 lines of text from the pig dice rules game onto your console. Okay, so give that a go. If you have any questions, let me know, and then we'll kind of cover it together when we get it working. All right. All right, so we're just about to cover the solution for exercise 1. If you haven't had a chance yet to do it and you're watching the video, pause now and take 5 minutes to see if you can complete the challenge and get it to print out successfully. We had some people print out each word, and then we had some people get a while loop working, but we'll cover the solution right now. So if you haven't had a chance, just pause the video and try it. Okay, so this is how we did the solution for exercise 1. So obviously we declare our rules.txt in our input file. So I used an ifstream, and you need these preprocessor directives, and I used my namespace of std. We declared our line variable to store each line of text, and then we did basically if. I just said if not in input file. So if the file wasn't able to open, we just print out an error saying there was no file found or error opening file. And then my while loop, this is how we really do it with a loop. While get line, input file, line. So we pass the 2 things. We pass the file that we want to read from, and then the variable we want to store each line from that file in. And then we just see out that line and print it to the console. And then always remember we close it. Okay, so very straightforward. And when I run it, it looks like this. And there you go. All the rules. Now, I also had to, you won't see it here because I copied it in, but if I open this existing folder, open the containing folder, wherever it is, you'll see I had to copy in the rules.txt file here into the same directory as my main.cpp. So you have to have them in the same spot. Cool? Very good. All right, that's the solution for exercise 1. We're going to cover output to files in the next video.